Hi, this is a knife set that I received, an Elite Chef Black Ceramic 3-piece knife set. I'm going to open it up and show you the knives in it. Here's the front of the box. There's 3 knives. And here they are like this. You get to see them. You can just like take these off. And these knives are like a black, they're black color. The handles are really strong and got a good grip on them. I'm going to cut a cucumber with these and I'll show you. They're really sharp. So it's like, I'm going to cut my finger on these. I'm cutting cucumbers. I love these. These knives are cool. I love the color of them. And they slice really good. I love these things. These are in excellent condition. They're perfect for the kitchen. I like the black blades on them all. They're like cool. I don't have a set like these. Thank you for the knives. They're awesome. These are a good addition to my kitchen for cutting things and stuff. So thanks everyone. Bye.